Yes, good morning, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Yes, everyone. So that we can start the session, guys. So, guys, as you know, BEL have given the notification. Yes, Prakash Pura, good morning. So, BEL have given the notification for the post of probationary engineers. So, many students were asking, sir, we want the type of question which BEL is asking in this exam. So, guys, based on a lot of research by asking from the students who appeared from last 2 years means last two exam 2014, 2018. By having a lot of research, I get some idea about the level of question, and by that today I am having questions from different subjects which will give you an idea that what type and which level of questions are asked in BEL. So are we ready for the session? Just give me a minute. Are we ready for the session? Please tell me that. And am I properly audible, visible? Then we are starting the session. Yes, so we are starting, guys. So guys, first of all, this is some detail about me, and today's session is a mixed up. So this is the Telegram channel where you can get the PDF of this session after the session. And guys, this is the series going on for civil and mechanical, that is the rank up series. Okay, so you know already the sessions, these two are left, that is for production and engineering mechanics. Now without wasting your time, guys, we are starting the session with the questions. And the very first question in front of you is this, that is from thermodynamics. And out of these, some questions are even the PYQs also. Okay, that also I am telling you. Some questions are PYQs directly, some are similar. So this is, I am going to show you the level of questions and what type of questions are coming. I already told you majorly PSUs or SSC type. Some you can say from the previous year CSC of before 2016, and some of the level of, you can think of like DRDO ISRO exams, easy question. So SSC, PSUs, and some of the ESC and GATE 1 marker can also be the part. Okay. So this is the very first question, guys. Like the energy of an isolated system in a process that can never increase, can never decrease, always remain constant, is always constant, is always positive. So my dear, when this is isolated system, you know, like universe is an isolated system. So for isolated system, the energy of the system can never increase. Okay, so A would be the answer. So some questions will be of, yes, Ankit, so some question will be of this level where you just like tick like just by looking at the question. Yes, Ankit, good morning. Moving to the next question, like which one of the following is not the correct statement about control volume? This is conceptual question again. Matter flows continuously in and out. Heat and work flows across the control surface. Control volume must be stationary. Focus is an definite volume and volume is enclosed by control surface. What do you feel? Which one is wrong statement? Which one is wrong statement? Yes. Which one is wrong statement? So Ankit is saying C is correct. So guys, control volume must be stationary whenever they are asking. It is not the correct statement. Okay, fine, very good. So guys, this type of question, graphical question, have also been seen. They are easy one only, but they are checking your conceptual clarity. Like, you know, this is the PT diagram given, and this is the triple point of water. And what they are saying that the critical point and triple point data for the water are, these are given like that. Okay, and they have said indicate the phase change that will occur in following cases. Ice at 0.5 kPa is heated isobarically. Water vapor at 400 degrees Celsius is compressed isothermally. So they are asking that along AB or along CD, along CD, along AB, along OD, along PR, along RD, along OR. So can you tell me what is going to be the right answer for this? This is question number 3rd. Yes, question number 3rd. So try to answer it perfectly. So this type of question have been seen from thermodynamics. Okay. So questions are easier, but they are checking your concepts. Some are that much easier, that definition based. Some are slightly using the concept as well. So if you see this question, my dear, for this question, the answer will be coming out to be A. So along AB, you know, this is isobaric, constant pressure. So constant pressure is isobaric. Yes, Papa Kagoda, good morning. So isobaric, whenever we are saying this is AB, okay? And when they are saying along CD, this is going to be the process number 2, which is water vapor 400 degrees Celsius is compressed isothermally. Because PT diagram, this is pressure constant, this is temperature constant. So it looks like difficult, but it is very easy, okay? It is not even using the nature of this curve, not, okay? It is easier only. So the answer will be A. Moving further to the question number 4. An ideal gas of mass m at state 1 expands to state 2 in 3 parts. QA, QB, QC represent the heat absorbed by the gas along the 3 paths. Then which of the following is correct? So guys, which of the following is correct? Just tell me which one of the following is correct. So they are giving you 3 paths. Can you try and tell which one is going to be correct? Yes. Which of the following is correct? Okay, Austin is saying the answer is D. QA is more than QB is more than QC. Okay, D. What about others? Yes, Papa Ghoda, Ankit, Prakash Bura, Rajat. Yes. Any other answer if clicks? Tell me. So dear, you already know that when we write dq is equals to du plus dw for any process, we write or not for any process. So you know du, whenever your initial and final points are same for all the 3 paths, internal energy is a property and property is not depending on the path. So this thing is going to be constant for all the 3 process. And you know that the area under PV diagram is giving you the work done. So if lesser dW, lesser dQ. If more dW, more dQ. So you can see area will be lesser along QA and highest along QC. So obviously QA is less than QB is less than QC. A is correct answer. Yes, Ankit, your answer is correct. So this type of question will be coming, guys. Okay. Moving to the next. In a Carnot engine, when working substance give heat to the sink, then temperature of sink increase, temperature of sink remains same, temperature of source decrease, temperature of both the source and sink is going to decrease. What would be the right answer for this? So this is asking you the property of source and sink. Very good, Rakesh Singh. So answer would be B. Very good, because you know that source and sink are the temperature and are the thermal energy reservoir. For them, temperature should not change with slight heat, you can say, interactions. Moving further, guys, to question number 6. They're asking which one is this is the PYQ actually. Okay. That which of the following represent the Carnot cycle? Out of these 4, which is the Carnot cycle? So you must be knowing that it is rectangle on which scale? PV, TS or SP or TP or PV. So what is correct? So the answer for this question number 6, very easy question. Yes, Rakesh, Ankit, Papa Ghoda, Austin. Very good. So the answer is B. You know that it is going to be on TS diagram like this. Because you know there are 2 processes which are isothermal, 2 are adiabatic. So for isothermal we will be having these lines, for adiabatic we will be having these lines. That is isentropic processes. Okay. So answer will be B for this. So guys, now this is from RAC. I have taken questions from different subjects. First 5 questions were from thermodynamics. Now the question is from RAC. Okay. So first 6 questions were from thermodynamics. This is from refrigeration. Likewise, I have questions from SOM, from TOM, from MD, from production. Okay. So that you have a good idea. I will show you, like, if numericals are coming, they will be of what level. Okay. So which one of the following refrigerant has the highest critical temperature? Tell me. So my dear, which one? Water, CO2, R12 or ammonia? Tell me. It is having 374. It is having 31. What about others? 112 and 1133. So obviously the answer will be water. So some questions of data types are also coming where you will be able to answer only if you remember this data. So some questions in PSUs always are of this type, okay, where you will be able to answer only if you remember some data. So be ready for 10% questions like that as well. Moving further, this is from heat transfer now. So they are asking you what is the definition of thermal diffusivity. How you will be defining thermal diffusivity. Is it K by mu Cp, K by rho Cp by K, or mu Cp by K? What is going to be the right answer, guys? What is going to be the right answer, guys? What is going to be the right answer? Tell me, guys. Yes. Yes. The answer for this question. What is thermal diffusivity? Yes, Papa ka ghoda, Ankit. What is thermal diffusivity? Is it B or D? B or D, thermal diffusivity. अरे बोलो भाई, B or D? Isn't it K by rho Cp? This will tell us conductivity. This will tell us storing capability. Yes. Yes, very good. So moving further to question number 9, guys. So here two composite slab has two layer of different material with thermal conductivity K1 and K2. In each layer had the same thickness, the equivalent thermal conductivity of the slab. So guys, this is very easy question. Very easy question. Tell me. This is composite slab. Yes. Previous one. Are we correct? I am asking you, is it correct or wrong? Is it B or C? I am asking you. Tell me. Ankit is saying C. Papa Ghoda is saying B. भूल गए क्या सब कुछ? Tell me what is correct. Tell me what is correct. Yes. Fine, guys. So here if you are talking about for 9th question, what is the right answer? Here a composite slab has two layers and both the layers, they are saying they are having thermal conductivity of K1 and K2. And they are saying in each layer they have same thickness. So thickness is same. And they are asking the equivalent thermal conductivity. Tell me that, guys. What would be the answer for this? Is it B? Is it B? So 8th will be having the answer of C. It will be storing or conductivity. And ninth will be having the answer of B. Is it correct? Fine. Fine. So moving to the 10th question, guys. Before we go into that, I would like to tell you that on 15th of October, you have a chance to get up to 90% of the scholarship on GATE preparation program by appearing into the scholarship test. This will be the time slot in which you can appear. Then on Wednesday, this will be a workshop on 18th of October. If anybody of your junior side is going to start about GATE 25, he want to appear, then know the right time to start the preparation for GATE 2025. And at 7:30 p.m. I will be taking this workshop. Okay. Yes. Moving further, guys. Now strength of material questions. Now strength of material question. There is a taper bar. There is a taper bar. And they are saying that D1 is the diameter on this side, D2 is the diameter on that side. And they are saying that, and a bar of uniform cross section D. Okay, and they are saying that they are subjected to same axial pull like that. And after that, they are getting the same delta as well. So for that, what will be the relation between D and D1, D2? So very good, Rakesh, Ankit. They are saying this is going to be geometrical mean, because whenever we are finding out delta of taper bar, it will be coming out to be 4PL upon pi E D1, D2. And when you will be finding out for prismatic bar, it will be 4PL upon pi E D square. When you will be equating them, you will be getting D square is equals to D1, D2. And from here you can write D is equals to square root of D1, D2. So it will be geometrical mean of D1, D2. B would be the right answer. Moving further to question number 14, guys. Once again from strength of material. The elongation of a conical bar under its own weight is equals to that of prismatic bar of the same length, half of the prismatic bar of the same length, 1/3 of a prismatic bar of the same length, 1/4 of a prismatic bar of the same length. So I would like to tell you, whenever we are talking about a prismatic bar, for that if self weight is W, you will be getting delta because of self weight is WL upon 2AE. Or otherwise it is rho GL square upon 2E. So they are asking you about the conical bar. So whenever we are talking about the conical bar like this, for this the expressions are coming rho GL square upon 6C. So obviously it is 1/3. C would be the right answer. Very good, Ankit. So these are the types of questions from strength of material which have been there in paper. Okay, Ravi is asking, sir, BEL के preparation के लिए कोई particular class start time वाले? हाँ, उसी के लिए this session have been there for that only. Actually ये session इसीलिए था because we want to see how much interested you guys are. Because for ISRO exam date is not yet announced. For HPCL exam date is not yet announced. But for BEL exam date is announced. So if you guys are interested, we will surely start. Okay. We are actually, this session we have kept for that only, to check whether you guys are interested in that or not, so that you can get the idea also of the type of question. So we will be starting soon for that. We are planning 2 to 3 classes per week in the starting. Then we will have some mock tests also. So this is about bending. So we are having a uniform bar lying in the X direction like this. It is subjected to a bending moment, and they are asking which of the strain tensor is correct. Which of the strain tensor is correct? Yes, Sapna, you are correct. Ankit, you are correct. Okay. What would be the answer, guys? Please tell me that. Anish, please try to ask the question related to the session. That will be better. Sapna is saying answer is B. Okay. What about others? Okay. Ankit is saying D. Okay. So my dear, I would like to tell you, here the bending stress distribution would be like this. So you know that For any point, if we want to write down the state of stress, it would be like this. For this point, the state of stress would be like this. They are uniaxial loading. For uniaxial loading, you know that epsilon xx will be sigma xx upon E. But when you will be finding out of epsilon yy or epsilon zz, you already know sigma yy is 0, uniaxial loading. Sigma zz is 0, uniaxial loading. So it is minus mu times sigma xx by E. So that is for sure they both will be equal. So these two conditions you must satisfy, that these are not equal but these two are equal. So you can see when you are going for the A option, all three are different, so it is wrong. Here these two are different, so it is wrong. Here these three are same, so wrong. Here this is different, these two are same, so D is the right answer. So this is a wonderful question. I always say this type of question can come in GATE as well even. Okay, this is a wonderful one. Moving further to question number 16. This type of question which are not particularly mentioned in the syllabus, like thick cylinders are not in syllabus, but it have been seen 1 to 2 questions from such areas are also coming. Like they are asking you some basic things like Lehm's equation. This is generally from thick cylinder, which is not in the syllabus, but still this question came many times in the PSU exams. So we can expect this type of questions 1 to 2 in number. So I have taken all the categories. Okay. Yes. What is correct in that? Question number 16 it is. Tell me guys. Yes, Sapna. Okay, Sapna is saying A is correct. Very good. A is correct. A is correct. Fine. So moving to question number 17, this is from column. This question is from column. Okay, Ankit, no issues. This question is from column. So 1 to 2 questions are always there for such type, for that we cannot prepare even. Okay. So for such question, no need to worry. Okay. Because there are many other questions to attend. Because when you have less time, more question, then such type of question you can avoid, because obviously no student is going to attempt it completely. Okay. So tell me this, which one of the following statement is correct? Euler formula holds good only for short column. A short column is one which has a ratio of its length to radius of gyration 100. A column with both end fixed have minimum equivalent effective length. The equivalent length of a column with one end fixed and other end hinge is half of its actual length. Okay, Sapna is saying the answer to be C. Answer is correct. Because whenever we are having a column with both end hinge, then my dear, the answer for equivalent or effective length is L. And whenever we are going to have both end fixed, then LE becomes L by 2. Whenever we have one end fixed, other end hinge, then LE will be coming out to be L by root 2. And my dear, when we have one end fixed, other end free, LE will be 2L. So answer is C for this. Moving to question number 18. This is from Theory of Machines. I feel everybody understood this type of question. They are asking you the transmission angle for this given mechanism. So what would be the answer? Sapna, Ankit, Rakesh, Ravi. So guys, do you want the series on BEL? Do you want the series on BEL? So we would be starting actually from next week. First, we will be keeping less frequency. If you guys will be coming more in number, we will increase the frequency. Okay. 18th ka answer is B. You can see this side is 70. This is 70. This is 70. So it is equilateral triangle. So angle will be 60 degree. B is correct. Very good, Sapna. Very good, Ankit. Moving to question number 19. This is not from PYQs. This is a general question. But this type of question we can expect in the exams. Okay. Yes. Question number 19. 2 points A and B. This is A. This is B. They are located on the radius of the wheel. you already know velocities are into omega. So if we want to write VA, it is given as 80. So it is nothing but the center is O, OA into omega. Similarly, VB is given as 140, that is OB into omega. When we will divide them, omega, omega cancel out. Okay. So they are asking that, they are saying AB is 300. So OA by OB is 8 by 14, 2 4 ja, 2 7 ja. Okay. And they have given AB is 300. So if AB can be written as OB minus OA. Okay. So from here you can write OB is 300 plus OA. Here you will get the relation between OB and OA. You can find out the required. Fine. The answer will be 700. So you are finding out radius. Radius is OB. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. Okay, before that, I would like to tell you, like in my last session, students were asking, sir, when the mock test will be starting from the BYJU'S side. So this is the good news that we are starting all India Open Mega Mock Test. Okay, for GATE 2024, it will be live from 14th October to 20th of October. So register now for that. The link is there in the description. Okay, so link is available in the description. You can definitely register for this and appear for this mock test. Okay, or this is also mentioned like GATE 24 mix subject 1, 14th October to 20th October. This is the daytime, you can see, and they have mentioned the syllabus also. Okay, so this syllabus is also mentioned in different tests and dates are also mentioned. So guys, you can download this from my Telegram channel to get the complete schedule of this mega mock challenge. Okay, so this you can use for your preparation. Okay, so you can see how many mega mock challenge: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 tests you are getting for free there. Okay, these are open mock tests, anybody can appear into that. So these are 7-8 tests for free. So guys, you can download the app, the link is there in the description, and there also some sessions and series are going on for the same examination. Ha, Sapna, for GATE actually every day the sessions are there. Okay, for BEL we are right now starting, but for GATE every day sessions are going on. Like you will be having a session for GATE XC questions for strength of material, that is on Saturday, means tomorrow 11 AM. Okay, like on Sunday you will be having an engineering mathematics session which I will be taking. There we will be starting this weekend matrices. Okay, so next question is from machine design. A journal bearing of diameter 30 centimeter, length 50 centimeter, carries a load of 150 kilonewton. The average bearing pressure is, you know, the average bearing pressure is W by LD. It is projected area. So Sapna, for GATE actually every day more than one sessions are there. Okay, so if you join my Telegram channel, you will be getting the links of the sessions which are going to happen. My Telegram channel link is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Okay, you can search on Telegram. The answer is B for this 1 MPa. Answer is B for this 1 MPa, yes. And if you subscribe the channel, then also you will get the link. Moving to question number, this is from material science. So guys, they are saying FCC 100 direction in terms of atomic radius. Linear density they are asking. You know that whenever we will be making a cubic unit cell, when we will be making a cubic unit cell, X, Y and Z. So they are saying a direction 100. You can take this direction, let us say this only. This is 1, 0, 0. You know that the same coordinate becomes the Miller indices. 1, 0, 0. You need to find out the density here. You know it is FCC. So for FCC here we would be having corner atoms. So can you tell me what would be the answer? So whenever we have corner atom, what is the average number of atom we have along this? It is 2 into 1 by 2. Then you are having this, this is A distance. What is A to R ratio? What is A to R ratio in the FCC? It is A is equals to 2 root 2A, 2 root 2 R. So the planar density, the linear density is N average by the length. Length is A. So it is 1 by 2 root 2 R. The answer is B. If you guys have problem with machine design, which I am feeling because no one have answered till now, so you can join my marathon. I have taken a marathon on material science last year also, this year also I will take. There you will learn all these types of questions. They are coming in GATE as well. Okay. So the answer for this will be B. Moving to this from heat treatment. Maximum surface hardness will be on cyaniding, nitriding, carburizing or flame hardening. This you can answer very easily, Rakesh, Sapna, Ankit. Tell me about this. Cyaniding, nitriding, carburizing or flame hardening. Dear, nitriding is the correct answer. Nitriding is giving you the maximum surface hardness. Yes, Ankit, Rakesh. Moving to this, hardness of steel greatly improves with annealing, cyaniding, normalizing, tempering. Once again, similar type of question, but this is PYQ. Okay, that's why I kept it. What should be the answer for this, guys? Here numbering is somehow problematic. After 24, it is 26. Don't mind that. Okay, because I didn't commit the number of questions. Okay, we are going for every subject. Tell me. Arey bhai, annealing, normalizing, tempering, cyaniding, which will be improving the hardness? You know, cyaniding is the surface hardness process. Others are not surface hardness techniques. So when we talk about annealing, annealing improves the properties like ductility, toughness. Okay. Tempering is also done to reduce the hardness. Okay. Yes, answer could be from cyaniding and normalizing. Normalizing give you hard structure as compared to annealing, but not as compared to cyaniding. So answer will be B for this. Guys, this is from metal cutting. The cutting speed for maximum production rate is MPR. Cutting speed for minimum cost is VMCP. Are always related through which one of the following expression is correct? So my dear, this is from the economy of machining. Let us see how many of you give the right answer for this. After that, I have one question from industrial and then I will leave you. This was a small session just to show you the level of questions, sample problems. Okay. So we will be coming up live with the new series from the next week. We will go for some of the mock test also for BEL. So for this, I will give you hint. So my dear, you know, whenever we are talking about velocity, whenever we are talking about the cost and tool life, your production rate. Cost and production rate, whenever you keep on y-axis and velocity on the x-axis, then one curvature is coming like this. For cost, we are getting this type of curve. So this will give you the minimum cost. We call this velocity as optimum velocity. Here they said that as minimum cost. VMCP. And then we can get a curve like that. This will give you the maximum production rate. This is maximum velocity. So here it is mentioned as VMPR. We always operate in this region. So MPR is given, MCP is this, the more is MPR, so B would be the right answer. Always maximum production rate velocity is more than the minimum cost criteria. Okay, because when you are going for maximum production, you need to keep more cutting speeds always. Always remember like that. Because more cutting speed will give you more components. More components means more production. Last question, guys, from industrial. In work study for transport, which symbol is used? Which symbol is used? So I would like to tell you, one symbol is this, one symbol is this, one symbol is this. Yes, tell me. Which symbol is used for transportation? This. T is the word. T is not the answer. Okay? Ankit is saying the answer is A. A is correct. Okay, dear, I would like to tell you, this is used for operation. This is used for inspection. Okay, there is a symbol used for delay as well. Okay, so there are some symbols so that you can remember whenever you will be studying industrial. Here my target was to just tell you the level of problems. Is it clear for everyone? Yes, Ankit, Rakesh, Austin, Sapna, everybody understood? Fine. So guys, we will be meeting tomorrow 11 a.m. for GATE XC PYQs of strength of material. They will be equally helpful for mechanical and civil students because even they are not appearing for XC paper, XC questions are repeating in both the branches. So tomorrow 11 a.m. we are meeting for the same. So goodbye for this particular session. Okay, goodbye.